Hello everyone, if you have appeared for the CPA exam in the FAR, AUD or REG sections, there's an important update for you. The results are set to be released tomorrow, June 8, 2025. ऑफिशियल डेट की बात करें अकॉर्डिंग टू द ऑफिशियल शेड्यूल प्रोवाइडेड बाय AICPA if your exam data file was received by May 16, 2025, your targeted course release date is June 8, 2025. This information is confirmed on the AICPA official website. The CPA exam is divided into core sections: FAR, Financial Accounting and Reporting, AUD, Auditing and Attention, REG, Regulation. These exams are administered by Prometric and the data file are sent to AICPA for scoring. How to check your result? To check your CPA exam result, follow these steps. Visit the NASPA candidate portal. Go to the official's website and log into your account. Enter your username and password. If you don't have an account, you will need to create one. Navigate to the score sections. One login in, click on the scores tab to your result. View and download your scores. Your scorecard will be displayed. It's recommended to download and save a copy for your records.